I'll see you guys soon. I'm going to get on my buffalo and go home.
Yo, hello guys, welcome to the latest edition of Wall Street English Westgate Quick Tips. Alright, today we're going to look at how to use get in and get on. Sometimes people can get them confused and use them with kind of the wrong types of transport. Alright, so we're going to look at different types of transport that we get in and different types of transport that we get on. Alright, so I'm going to give you guys a little trick, a simple way to remember. Alright, so get in. Basically, we use get in if you're getting into some transport and you can't stand up and you can't walk around. Alright, so for example, we get in minivan, or we get in tuk-tuk, or maybe we get in a taxi or a boat. Okay, all of those things, quite small, you get in, you can't stand up and walk around. Obviously, get in, we have get out. Alright, so you get in and get out. Okay, the second one, we've got get on. Alright, so get on we use for the type of transport that you get on and you can stand up and you can have a little walk around, go say hello to a few people, kind of have some little movements on your transport. Alright, so get on for things like a bus, or in Bangkok we've got the MRT, our American friend called the subway. Alright, and we've got a plane. Yeah, you get on a plane, you walk around on a plane, or even a train. Okay, so get on and get off. Yeah, so get on a plane and get off a plane. Let's give a couple of examples in some lovely sentences for you guys today. So imagine you're in Bangkok and you want to come to this amazing place of Central Westgate. So you get on the MRT at Thao Poon station, and where do you get off? Talad Bang Yai. There we are. Maybe we'll see you here someday. Alright, so get on the MRT at Thao Poon and get off at Talad Bang Yai. Okay, excuse my pronunciation. The second one, get in. So maybe after work, we want to go out, we want to kind of relax, have some food, have some relaxing, some chill out time. Maybe we want to go to Khao San Road. Yeah, the great place, famous in Bangkok, Khao San Road. Alright, so we get in a taxi by KFC and then we get out of the taxi at Khao San Road. Alright, so get in a taxi and get out. Of course, there's always some exceptions in the English language. So one of my favorite modes of transport is the buffalo. Yeah, I love to travel by buffalo. All right, but for buffalo, we get on. Okay, I can't stand up. I can't stand up on the buffalo. I can't walk around, but we're getting on. Okay, we're getting on top of the buffalo. I'll see you guys soon. I'm going to get on my buffalo and go home. Have a great day. See you soon. Don't forget to click like and share. Take it easy, Wall Street English Westgate. See you soon.